The windmill base, step 169, 4 pieces of S2 and possibly an extra piece for support. Now, in your instructions on step 169, it does talk about making a hole in the top of one of these pieces, and that hole is so that this rod can go through it. My suggestion would be to take this piece before you put all these together and to find the center, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but to make your hole so that this can actually go through ahead of time. Now they tell you to drill this hole out first. Well, you're going to be like, well, Mr. Kaiser, I don't have drills at home. How do I do this? Well, just like you can score a board with your scissors, you can cut a hole with your scissors. Now, my suggestion would be is to be very careful, but you can essentially take this piece and just start working it back and forth carefully so that you're not going to cut yourself. But all I'm doing is gently twisting this back and forth. Notice I'm not applying a lot of pressure, but very carefully you're going to have that hole made. Okay, and you see that, again, you don't want to be too close to that edge either, but pretty soon you're going to see that poke through. Once that pokes through, I'm going to flip it over and we'll start coming from the other side. And I want to work my way into the board, not towards the edge. I knew that was going to happen. So you got to be careful because that can happen. So be careful. We'll try this again.